Hello everyone, this is MD Nahid Rahman as a Fiverr top rated freelancer and Apolloio leads exporter and provider. So today I am going to show you how to collect your targeted leads from Apollo.io and create your targeted links. So my previous video is how to create Apollo.io account. If you don't know about Apollo.io, create Apollo.io, so you can see my previous video, then you can create Apollo.io account easily. Okay, it's create for free, and today I am going to show you how to collect your targeted leads and create your targeted link. Okay, so now I am logging Apollo. I have already a Apollo.io account, that's why I am logging. If you don't have Apollo, just you can sign up. Okay, it's very easy. So now I am collect targeted leads. So my search filter, this is my search filter. I'm click the search filter, and now I am create a list. So I'm click on the list and create list, and then my list name is real estate leads. Okay, so you can create list from your targeted so my list name is real estate leads. Okay, so now I'm click on the people, and now I'm select I need only valid email, like verified email, so I'm click the verified. Okay, and then I need targeted people, and my targeted job title is owner, CEO, founder, and I need more job title beefy, and I need partner. Okay, I need managing director, I need managing director. Okay, I need general manager, okay. Now if you need more job title, just you can search. Okay, now my job title is enough. So I am select location, and my targeted location is USA, United States, and United Kingdom. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Okay, just I need only 2 country, and I'm click the location, and I need small company. I'm select only 1 to 10 and select 11 to 20. Okay, now I need company employee size is 5 to 100. Okay, and my industry is real estate. My target industry is real estate. Okay, if you have more industry, then you can select this, like insurance. Okay, and like financial service. Okay, and like information technology. Okay, so I need only real estate, so I am cross this, so I am no need. Just if you need more industry, then you can select. Okay, So now I am select the targeted industry, and I don't need anything, so it's buying intense scores is no need. Okay, so now my targeted leads total 47 47.2k. Okay, so now I am correct this. So first things, you can select this page and then save, and then click, then click the your list. Okay, my list name is real estate leads. Okay, then I am select this and then save. Okay, and then now refresh, then you can, okay, then you can get 25 leads. Okay, so if you collect more leads, it's have free account, you don't collect 47k leads, you don't collect this because it needs Apollo premium. Okay, update your account. So if you need Apollo.io leads like 10k, 20k, 30k or 50k or 100k plus, I will help you. I provide you your targeted leads. Okay, so you just provide me your Apollo, you just copy your Apollo filter link and then provide me, then I will collect your targeted leads and I will give you. Okay, so now I am export only 25 leads, this already I saved. Okay, now I am click my save list and open this and select all people, and then now I'm export all. Okay, and now export, click on export and export record, then download. Okay, then our leads 25 leads is work complete. So now I'm open this and see, it's very easily. Leads have first name, last name, title, then company, email status, and seniority, department, corporate number, employee size, and this is industry. I am select the industry is real estate. Okay, this is a targeted keyword, and this is person LinkedIn URL. Okay, this is company website, this company LinkedIn URL, and Facebook, lots of information. So now Apollo is the best tools in the lead generation. Okay, so if you need you targeted leads, so you see my service, I provides Apollo leads very low price. Now my 10k leads $20 and my 50k leads $100. Okay, so if you need you targeted leads, just you can knock me, message me in my LinkedIn, or it's have my WhatsApp number and my email, so you can contact with me, I will help you. I provide you first 50 or 100 leads for sample. If my sample is okay, then you can provide me your URL, I will help you to collect your targeted leads. Okay, so today, so close our video. I hope you can get your Apollo URL. Bye bye, thank you so much.